Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today we're going to make a very easy to do recipe from Big Bob Gibson, the legend. Big Bob Gibson is one of the first pitmasters in the US to have opened a restaurant in Decatur, Alabama in 1929. Okay, and this recipe has been transcribed by Chris Lilly, which is also one of the most famous pitmaster today. So the recipe is really easy to do. We will just marinate the meat with onions and green bell peppers in soy sauce and oil and vinegar and sugar marinade. Okay, and in 2 or 3 hours we'll grill those kebabs directly over the coals in the pit boss K24 Kamado. I will use a bit special setup for the charcoal. You will see that because I don't want to burn the meat, since I get a lot of sugar in the marinade. So we will make not an indirect cooking method, but it's close to indirect, because the charcoal will be so far from the meat that it will not burn. Okay, so let's go for a marinade. We will need 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 1/4 of a cup of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of ground garlic, and 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 cup of vegetables oil, and 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And for the side, I will just use, I will make 2 sweet potato. Okay. One. So now we will let the sugar dissolve. So now I will cut the meat, and I will do 1 inch by 1 inch and maybe 3/4 of an inch blocks, okay, of meat. All right, this is perfect to get a medium rare or medium meat on my kebab. And on same side for the green bell peppers and onions, about 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay, so between 2.5 and 3 centimeters per side. Now I will transfer the marinade in a ziploc bag. Okay. And now I put the meat and the vegetables inside the bag. And I will try to vacuum all the air. All right. Now I will put the bag between 2 and 6 hours in the fridge, okay? All right, now the first thing that I will do is cook the sweet potatoes. So just like that, directly here. Sweet potatoes are almost ready, so it's now time to make the kebabs, to cook them, and to make the sauce, the horseradish sauce. For the horseradish sauce, we need 3 tablespoons sour cream, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 large teaspoon of horseradish, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Okay, we just mix that things. So now for the kebabs, I drained the marinade out, and now we will make the kebabs. 1 big piece of meat, onions, green bell peppers, and we repeat. That's a kebab. So now we will let the meat caramelize for maybe 10 to 12 minutes, turning only once, and it will be perfect. Et voila, all right. So now the last thing that I will do is to put some butter, some garlic, and some maple sugar directly over the potato, and that's it. We're ready to eat. Okay. Last thing that I didn't told you about the meat is that to check the internal temperature, I took my instant thermometer, my instant temperature probe to check the internal temperature, and it should have been to 52 Celsius degrees, okay, which is perfect for a medium rare cooking. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope you appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.